properly.
Just show your eyes. Come on. Show your eyes. No, I didn't catch it.
Come, sit again.
Show your eyes. Holy hell.
Sit again, fast.
Fast? You lost your passenger.
I held you, you dropped yourself.
Okay.
Do E. Show us your butt. Moon us. Give us a smile.
Telling me, not me.
I want double smile. Badonk. Badonk. This is getting rude.
Yay! Again.
Now make carpet angels.